Hello, so today I will be showing you my workflow for the first automation challenge, which is the appointment confirmation plus reminders and the no-show nurture. Now let's go first with this one. All right. So just to briefly explain this one, I use customer book appointment and also I kind of tweak it a little bit, but this basically works the same way with the tutorials. But since I'm not using a discovery call calendar, I'm using a service calendar. So that's why I have to use a condition if else. So just to explain it, the main purpose of this one is to automatically tag the chosen artist. Now I have three artists, which is Chris, Emma, Ethan. And say, for example, the contact book a call with Chris. What I want to happen is to for this automation to automatically tag the chosen artist. So now it will be tagged as Chris selected if the contact book a call with Chris, and works the same way with the remaining artist. For Emma should be Emma selected, and for Ethan should be Ethan selected. And also you can see here I use go to action to make it simpler and look clean. Well, instead of copy and pasting this sequence to this and this or this, it's just gonna look messy. So I use go to action to make it look simple and also clean. Now you can see here the email confirmation, and here's the wait action which is set before the appointment. So let's click this one. Right, there you go. And also this is the reminder email and so on. Now we're gonna test if this is really working. I have my email ready now, and let's just go to the landing page. Okay. Okay, now I want to book a call with Ethan Mayer, and let's just click uh, October 13, 9:30 a.m. Okay, for this one let's just use Phineas and Ferb as an example, and random phone number. Okay, there you go. All right, perfect. So now that I've successfully booked a consultation, let's go back to the workflow and let's just check under the enrollment history. Okay, so perfect. Now you can see Phineas and Ferb is now enrolled, and the next execution would be on October 12th. Okay, now let's see the contact execution path. Okay, now you can see here it should be able to update the opportunity, and we should be able to see a tag which is lead new and consultation book. And also, we're gonna verify if the condition if else is really working. Since I choose Ethan Mir, it should be tagged as Ethan selected, and you should now be able to get email confirmation. Now let's go here and let's just refresh this one and also this one. You can also check the email right now. Right, there you go. So you get the email, and let's see here. Okay, so now on the opportunity, you can see it's under the consultation book stage, and let's just verify if the tags are correct. Perfect. So artist Ethan selected. There you go. So now let's go back. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna force the contact to the process up until the very end of the steps. Okay. If this is really working, we should be able to the contact should be able to get the email reminders by now. Okay, so there you go. Assuming that the consultation is today, you receive the 1 hour, 24-hour reminder, 1 hour, and also the 5 minutes reminder. Okay, let's go back. So that means that this workflow is working perfectly. So now let's go back and I will show you the no-show nurture workflow. All right, let's click this one. Okay, so for this one, just to explain it, I use appointment status as my trigger, and also this should be able to trigger the no-show appointment status. So that means if you go here under the appointment section, you can see here the status, and under that we'll see here a drop down. So if I click on no show, assuming that today is the consultation and the contact did not show, so let's just click on no show. Now the workflow should be triggered. Okay, let's check the enrollment history. There you go. Right, so you can see here Phineas and Ferb. Okay, so let's check the contact execution path. So since this one, since it's been triggered, we should be able to see an updated opportunity, and it should be now on the no-show stage. And also, um, the consultation reminder in the lead new should be removed, and the new text should be no-show plus lead nurture. And also, we should be able to see a reschedule follow-up link. Let's go back here. Okay, let's refresh this one, and also let's check the email. There you go. So Phineas, now let's get you back on the calendar. Let's just check if the URL is really working. All right, perfect. Okay, there you go. So now we can see here it's now on the no-show stage, and let's see if it's updated. All right. So now the tags are updated. Okay. So for the last step, let's just uh, push it to the next step. All right. Okay. So now for the last one, you should be able to get the follow-up nurture email. Let's go back, and there you go. Quick reschedule for your free consultation. Right. Okay. Okay. So now that you can see the service calendar no show nurture, and at the same time the appointment confirmation plus reminder workflow both are working perfectly. So that will be it, and thank you for watching.